Okay, boys and girls, gonna have a little bit of a chat about planning. And why? Well, why not? It's Christmas. Got my bar humbug hat on. Winky's bankrupting me over there. So if I'm going to be bankrupt, I'm going to do a little giveaway for you at the end of this video, and you'll see exactly how much I'm going to get bankrupt. But what's it all about? It's really about planning and getting ready into next year. And the crux of it's come because the Fivers are doing kind of a full day live event on the 22nd of December. So it's the 17th, so in about a week's time, 5 days' time. And they're going to take you through everything of what the prop is. They're going to show you how to scalp properly, various interviews, etc., etc., etc. Now, over the years, I've got to know the Fivers really well. And I think they're the only prop firm that I would recommend. Now, if I flick over onto their day, here it is. So there's the times, okay? So you can see what it is. So it's 12 GMT on the 22nd. So just before Christmas, get you all ready. And the idea of this is to prep you for the new year coming forward, okay? And there's the boys. So it's Sol and Michael. A little salute to the pair of you. And a very Merry Christmas to you if I don't catch you before. And there is the agenda. So they're taking you through setting targets, something that I personally push quite a lot. If you target correctly, you'll be fine. Now, it could be a year, a month, a day down into a trade. Now, take you through the playbook, AI tips and tools to help you understand and what's going on with the markets. 10 past 2, when you're talking to Sol, Sol is a master scalper. You really want to listen to that one, so that's really good. Unlock the secrets to a good trader. Michael is a good speaker and he's been around forever. The big debate, we're going to have a little bit of a chat about multiple assets versus one asset. Now that is a big debate. Do you become a specialist or a generalist or somewhere in the middle? I sit somewhere in the middle, 2 or 3 products, and then you're pretty much good because you get to live and breathe them all the time. Brokers and prop firms sit between the two. Well, for me, you know the way I trade. I have my wage account, I have my small account, and I have my prop account. So I'm kind of a hybrid, if you want to look at that. And then a Q&A at the end of it. So that's super. And then throughout the day, they're going to be giving giveaways and various other bits and pieces. And just click the link and you register. I'll drop this down in the comment section and pin it to the top so you can see it. So it's a full-on day. But what about planning? Where does your planning actually start? Well, it starts, for me, on what you want to achieve. So can it be a wage? Can it be a car? Can it just be a few extra pounds for the bills? You know, where does your planning start?
Me? I don't plan.
That's true. So there you go. You got me, I plan everything. She doesn't plan anything, right? She just thinks there's a magic tree and the money appears. It doesn't quite work like that. I break things down into what it certainly does work for you, sweetheart. I break things down from where I want to be. So to give you a quick example, and I use this example all the time because it is a benchmark that I work to. I want a minimum of 30,000 per year. All right. Now, what does that equate to? Well, I've got no debt. So I don't have to pay a mortgage. My cars and everything are purchased outright. 30,000 is enough to put a shirt on my back, pay pretty much the household bills, the electric, the gas, that sort of thing, and food on the table. Not bad. Okay, so how do I get there? Well, if I take it down to the lowest denominator, it's quite simple. Now, first of all, I know I'm not going to be working for 52 weeks of the year. And I also know I'm going to be wrong. Now, I've got a good strike rate, so my wrongs aren't that bad. But I do want time off. So I work on 48 weeks of the year. Right? So that's my first benchmark. I will divide the 30 by 48. Then I'll drill that down into what the week actually is. Well, I don't particularly like working on a Monday. Don't particularly like working on a Friday. Now, I will trade a Monday, but I'll wait till the open is finished. So it'll be 9:30, 10 o'clock onwards. So it's not going to be a full-on day. And Friday, I just don't like to trade at all because it's the most dangerous day of the week. Okay, simple stuff. So essentially, I'm really working on 3 days. Well, if I'm doing 3 days and it works out at around £600 a week, well, that's £200 a day. And £600 a week over 48 weeks is just under 30,000. So that's my benchmark. That's how I plan everything out. So if I need to do 200 quid on the day, then what I need to work out is how am I going to get that 200 quid? Well, it's very easy. If I'm on £1 a point, I need 200 points. Well, what's the chances of me doing 200 points? Pretty slim. So I either need a belter of a day, which I won't get all the time, or I need to increase the position size. So I'll increase the position size to the average amount of pips that I earn on that day, and that'll tell me roughly whether it's feasible. Now, let's just say I can do 20 pips at a time. Well, if I do 20 pips at a time, and I look to trade twice a day, that means my position size has to be a fiver. Okay, so £5 times 20 is 100. Do it twice is 200. One on the morning, one on the afternoon. Sounds simple, doesn't it? In hindsight. But what does that fiver equate to? Well, it means I also need a minimum account size. So the minimum account size for me to achieve that is around £5,000 or £6,000 to start with. That will enable me to open up the position size, and then I have to take 200 quid and quit. So 5,000, 6,000 to make 200 a day. It's tough, but it's doable. Okay? That is how you plan your numbers and your days out. Now, if you do that, you've already got targets that are sensible. Rather than saying, well, I've got 500 quid and I want to make 1,000 quid. Well, that's not achievable. In fact, that's ludicrous. You know, you will do it from time to time. But that's the key element. Time to time. You want to be consistent right through. Now, if you're consistent right through, this is where you come back to prop. Now, dealing with the fivers, they have 3 sort of programs, if you like. They've got the hyper growth, where if you know what you're doing, you've got one stage, you're passed. Brilliant. You've got the high stakes. It's exactly what it says it is. It's designed to be high energy and one thing another. It's dirt cheap, about 40 quid, you know, but it's 2-stage. You've got to do 2 evaluations and then you pass. And then you've got the one which I think is ideal for planning, the boot camp. The boot camp is 3 stages and you pay an initial fee to go into it. So we'll base this on the 100k, and when I tell you what I'm going to give, it's based on the 100k. Costs very limited to get in. I think it's $95 or 75 quid, depending on your exchange rate, to do the initial setup. You do the 3 stages, and then you pay the final evaluation, and you get 100k funding. That 100k funding will be the equivalent to something like a 5,000k account if you work on the drawdown, give or take. Okay. So how am I going to help you? Well, I told you about this lot. Well, there's also something else. I run a group called the Scruffy Squad, and I like to help these guys as much as I can. Talk to them all the time. Done it this morning. With that, there you go, Andre. Very, very welcome. Broke the trade down for him before I went to market. Told him exactly how I was going to trade it, why I was going to trade it, and then followed it through. And you can see the journey right the way. And you see that in the market update. Now, there it is there. So they can always see what's going on. Now, we do have a section called prop. Now, here, the guys are doing very, very well. In fact, they're working their way through it. There we are. There's John bouncing through. You know, come up here. There's Lee bouncing through. There's Mitch passed, bouncing through over and over. So for anybody who is either in the group or joins the Scruffy Squad Plus membership by the end of January and takes on a boot camp, and I'll put the discounted voucher below because you'll get 5% off. You stay in the group till you pass, I'll give you your initial fee back. I'll personally pay it. How's that? How's that for Christmas?
Sounds good.
Well, it mightn't be. You've bankrupted me, so I might as well let this lot do it. There could be thousands of them do this. This might cost a lot of money. But no, seriously. You buy your boot camp, click on the vouchers so you get a little bit of a discount. And if you're part of the squad, you'll be able to say what your path is all the way through. You know, help me with this, I've achieved that, etc. Because I'll be on hand to help you. And pass the first phase, pass the second phase, pass the third phase, and get funded. Just post on there. There you go, guys. Started it in January. I've passed it at X date. I'll cover your initial entrance fee. Merry Christmas. And that's, well, the fivers have been good to me. They've paid me very well over the years in payouts. And I'm going to give it back. How's that? So there you go. So when you're planning, always think about what you're doing. And there's a no-brainer. See you all on the other side. Merry Christmas, everybody.